A very good morning to everyone, students. Students, today we will discuss the PDF exercises of the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. And we start with the word meanings of this chapter, and your first word is naturalized. The meaning is the process to make someone a citizen of a country they were not born in. Second word is frontiers, that means leading people. Space, an area which surrounds the planet Earth and the other planets and stars. Fourth word is broke apart, the meaning is crashed. Fifth word is allowed, meaning is permitted. Sixth is astronaut, a person who travels in a spacecraft. Seventh is gliders, a light aircraft that flies without an engine. Pursuing, following or continuing. Next word is disaster, a sudden accident or natural calamity that causes damage or loss of life. 10th is disbelief, that means lack of belief. 11th is glued. Next, the word is sticked, meaning is sticked. Enormous, huge. 13th word is astrophysics, and the meaning is branch of astronomy that studies physical nature of celestial bodies, stars, etc. Aeronautical, science of building aircrafts. 15th is awe-inspiring, stunning, amazing or remarkable. Now we move to the sentences, and your first word is astronaut. My son's dream is to be an astronaut. Second is disaster. The town was declared a disaster area after the floods. Pursuing. The police are pursuing an escaped prisoner. Allowed. She had allowed herself to fall into the role of mistress. Enormous. He consumes an enormous amount of liquor. Next topic is question answers, and your first question is, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. She was born in India but married to an American citizen and thus became a naturalized American. So she is called an Indian American. Next question is, when and why did she go to US? Who did she marry? Kalpana went to the US for master's degree in aeronautical engineering. There she married the flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. Your third question is, how did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana applied to NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected at NASA for training as an astronaut. It was her success as a pilot which gave her the idea that she could become an astronaut. Question number 4 is, what abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? According to the journalist, it takes enormous ability to be an astronaut. An astronaut must know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, a person must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Question number 5 is, describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Kalpana Chawla's first mission was in the Space Shuttle Columbia. It was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went 252 times around the Earth, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. They also made tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. It was all done for a price tag of $56 million. Question number 6 is, what does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Kalpana says that the path from dreams to success does exist. One needs to have the vision to find it and the courage to get onto it. Yes, I agree with her that success is possible. Next topic is read the newspaper report to find out the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. Date and place of liftoff 16th January 2003, Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Number of astronauts on board 7. Number of days it stayed in space 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists 80 experiments. Date of return journey Sunday 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact 2 lakh feet. Next is match the following, and here the answers are given. Unprecedented space tragedy, that is called a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Certified flight instructor, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Space mission, a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Super specialization, great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Awe-inspiring, something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. In this age, nowadays, in these times. Next is use these phrases in sentences of your own after find out their meanings. Broke apart means break violently. The laptop broke apart when it slipped from the hands. Streaked over means flash brightly, leaving a visible line. Fireworks streaked over the horizon when India won the cricket match. Spread across, distributed over a given area. The sentence is the disease is spread across the entire world. Lifted off, start flying. Pilot finally lifted off the aeroplane. Blast off meaning take off, and the sentence is the rocket blasted off yesterday. Went on, continue, and the sentence is he went on reciting the poems. Cheered along, the meaning is encourage. Audience cheered along for their favorite participant. On board, on a ship, plane or other vehicle. The sentence is the huge ship had nearly 500 passengers on board. Carry on, continue. Scientists carry on their research work. Next is we add un to make opposites. For example, true, untrue. Now add un to the words below to make their opposites. Then look up the meanings of the words you have formed in the dictionary. Identified, unidentified, which has not been recognized. Controlled, uncontrolled, totally free, lawless. Attended, unattended, not looking after. Successful, unsuccessful, failed. Important, unimportant, petty or insignificant. Educated, uneducated, illiterate. Interesting, uninteresting, dull. Qualified, unqualified, not having the qualification needed for the job. Trained, untrained, without the necessary training or experience. Answerable, unanswerable, not fit to be answered. Next is, given below are some words that are spelled differently in British and American English. Fill in the blanks accordingly. In British and then in American. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R, C-O-L-O-R in American. L-A-B-O-U-R in British, L-A-B-O-R in American. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R. Counselor, C-O-U-N-S-E-L-L-O-R. Center, C-E-N-T-R-E in British and C-E-N-T-E-R in American. Theater, Theater in British and Theater in American. Organize, Organise and Organize. Realize, Realise in British, Realize in American. Defense, Defence in British, Defence in American. OFFENCE in British and OFFENSE in American. So these are the exercises of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.